is Chef Ana Garcia from La Villa Bonita Culinary Vacations, and I'm here with Chef
Ale.
Yes, Chef Alejandra. And so today we're gonna make one of our crowd favorites, which is tacos al pastor. So we're gonna make our home version of them. And to do this, we need chiles guajillos, de-seeded and deveined. So if Ale, you can start putting them there while I teach you how to de-seed them and devein them. So it's very easy. All you need to do is grab your chile guajillo and then open it on the side and take the veins and the seeds out, okay? And now let's gonna put all the chiles here in the
In
hot water. It doesn't have to be piping hot.
No.
It can be just hot from the tap.
Yeah.
So we're doing chiles guajillos, ancho chiles, right, Ale?
Yes.
And we did the same thing, de-seed them and devein them.
And pasilla chiles.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna soak them in hot water.
Can you get a plate so we can put it on top when they start soaking? Okay.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, in the blender we're gonna have some garlic. We're gonna also put some piloncillo, which is a kind of sugar from Mexico, but you can also use brown sugar. Piloncillo has a little more molasses than brown sugar, but that's why we're using it. We're putting in here also pineapple.
Yeah, a cup of pineapple.
And the pineapple, basically what it does is softens our meat. And we're gonna use, I have a whole cup here, but we're just gonna use half a cup of orange juice. Okay.
And a quarter of a cup of white vinegar.
Okay, quarter of a cup of white vinegar is right here.
Yes.
And then, if I remember well, a tablespoon of oregano. And I'm eyeballing it because I always eyeball it.
Just a pinch of cumin.
Wasn't it like a teaspoon?
Yeah.
Teaspoon of cumin. Or you do a pinch, whatever you want. And then
some peppercorns.
black peppercorns. Okay.
Black pepper.
Black
Black
peppercorns.
pepper.
You see? Black pepper, yes, but just like Alejandra loves. Okay.
This goes on the recipe, so you can go.
And then,
I'm gonna take.
oh, perfect, Tavi, thank you. And so then we're gonna let these chiles soak for about 6 or 7 minutes, and then we'll come back and add those chiles in here so we can blend them all together for our marinade for our meat, okay? We are making a video a day during these turbulent times because of help from you in the form of future reservations, deposits, and donations. Your help is critical right now. When the economy suffers, we know that not everybody can chip in at the moment. If it's not easy, don't worry about it, just enjoy the show. But if you can help, La Villa Bonita needs your money now more than ever. Please go to lavillabonita.com for more information. As always, I'm grateful for your time and generosity. And remember, we will travel again. Let's plan your next trip with me to La Villa Bonita and let's get cooking. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and our chiles are now rehydrated. And we're gonna put them all in the blender, leaving the water behind. And we're not gonna use the water because all this water has dirt, and if any of these chiles are a little spicy, the spiciness is gonna be in the water, okay? So that's what we're gonna leave it behind. I mean, if some of it comes with you, it's not a big deal, but not all of it, okay? If we need more liquid to blend this, we're gonna use the orange juice that we had left over, okay?
Yep.
So, Ale, why don't you blend this? Okay. Use the stick for the blender because we want it to be very thick.
Okay.
And we also need to add salt to it, okay?
Okay.
So I'll bring the salt to you.
Thank you. Okay, excuse me, Mojo. We're just going through. And so we're just gonna
let's add the salt first.
Maybe we need a little bit more of liquid
Okay.
because it's
Let me go. Where did you leave me?
okay. It's
Okay. I'll keep going. So we're gonna add quite a bit of salt because this is the only opportunity that meat will have to get like some saltiness in there. So this is ready, and all I wanted to show is how it looks. It's kind of pasty, and I want to try it before I put it in the pork. Once we're using pork, you could also make it with chicken or turkey if you wanted to, and you could even make it vegetarian if you use something like a cauliflower. You could make it out of cauliflower. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more salt in here, and then we're gonna add it into the meat. Now, if you can marinate this overnight, vamos a poner aquí. Let's put it over here. You can put it, if you would marinate it overnight, it'd even be better. Can you show them the pieces of meat that it is?
yeah, it's pork meat, and you can use like the
Leg. And you want them to be, you know, a little bit
Like
thick. Okay, not too thick. Okay, actually, I think that's a little
This
too
one is a
thick.
little bit, yeah.
Let me just cut it for you while you start adding the this
chili.
in there.
Okay.
And
So-
where's my knife? I don't know where I left my knife. Okay.
Okay, so we're just adding the chicken that we already blend, and we're gonna
If you can, marinate it overnight.
yeah, it's gonna be much better.
But if you can't, it's okay to just do it for a couple hours, which is what we're gonna do because everybody in this house is kind of hungry. So, okay, so this is better. You see, it's kind of thin like that. Okay,
Okay. So I'm gonna
perfect.
use my hands because it's too
I'm gonna
much.
wash this. Okay.
Go. So I want to cover this. Yes.
Carmela already set the table. I'm gonna start making tortillas.
Okay, so we're gonna
And then
let the meat
maybe
marinate for a
show them
little
the
bit.
condiments that we have.
Okay.
And while I start making tortillas, and then the last thing we're gonna do is cook the meat, okay? We are very excited now to be able to eat our tacos al pastor after we just made our tortillas. So we're using this big pan just because we have it and we already used it, but you could use a saute pan, or if you want to even be more, what would you call it, more authentic or closer to authentic, you could grill the meat, which we're not doing because we've already done quite a few things today, so.
Can I help
Okay,
you?
yeah. Can you what, honey?
Help now?
Help with this? I think this one might not be a good thing to help with, Abby, because it's a little bit hot.
I can help. I put some meat here.
Okay. Here, I have the pinchas right here, Abu. You can help with this one. Come on inside.
Where do I put it?
Right here. Right there. You got it. Careful. Good job, sir. Okay. I'm gonna put more in here. And then, okay, you go ahead.
No, I'm gonna use my hands because I already made a mess.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this.
And so we actually have a little bit of chicken there because we had it left over from something else. So we're making both chicken and pork, but the authentic way to do it is with pork.
Yes.
We're doing both. So I'm gonna add a little more oil on this side because I have it all on the other side. It's gonna get dry. You do want to get a little charcoal on the meat, not only cook it, but get it a little charcoal, okay? So It shouldn't take too long. You also don't want to overcook it because you don't want to get it hard. Let's put some of this. You see how this one's getting like a little liquid on it? Yeah, that's it. You read my mind on this. I'm gonna put a little more salt on it. Can I have the salt over there? So it tastes the marinade. I'm trying to use just a little more salt. Very nice.
Perfect. So let's be a little bit patient here.
So we have a couple pieces of meat that are a little thick, so that's why we cover them. But these ones that are the right thickness, we're gonna start turning. And you wanna see some of this darkness right there, okay? A little bit of that crackle. And then after this, we'll take it out and we'll start chopping it up.